This is my camera, a Canon 60D with a 18 to 135mm lens. A Rode mic Go to capture the sound. And this, a Jobii Gorilla Pod, so I can take it anywhere to stabilize my shots. I love to create and shoot things. This camera is more to shoot video and to take pictures with, but from the outside it looks like more like a hobby or something that I want to just do for fun. But I want to change all that. What is your favorite film? Mine is
No, I am your father.
In today's world, we live where we can consume this film whenever we want. I can just pop in a Blu-ray or go to my online digital media shop, or in some cases I can stream it from an on-demand service. And sometimes we forget that the power of filmmaking can have a huge impact in our culture and even in our tastes. As a viewer, it's not our job to think like that. Films are there to escape our worries and to give us a distraction. I know I'm no Spielberg or Tarantino, but with this tool, I can have the chance to make something or create something that's suited to you or even to your own taste. There is more to filmmaking than just taking out a camera and then just to start shooting. Nor is it sort of a vanity thing as I'm doing YouTube. Yes, I am filming myself, but filmmaking is more of an expression on what we've got to say. And thanks to platforms like YouTube, getting your stuff out there hasn't been so easier. I love creating videos. It's really sort of a stress reliever. When I'm in a slump and not creating, I feel really down and a bit sad. And then when I start to create a video and finish it, I get that dopamine effect and I feel good about it. In terms of culture, I hope in these videos you can see my world and my point of view. As someone with a camera, I possess a tool that even goes beyond taking pictures or even taking videos. It can tell stories. And you can tell your story too. If you're lucky enough to have one of these, a smartphone, it has a good enough camera in it, and you can start telling your story now. If I could do it, it doesn't hurt if you can do it too. Let me know your thoughts. Is filmmaking a waste of time? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.